Hello students, welcome to Indo-European YouTube channel. So today we have another student with us. Her name is Shrishti and I would like to know about her journey, like how they have contacted us first time and Shrishti got finally her Canada study visa from our side. So I would like to know about the journey, how she has started the process, how she had known about Indo-European team and what was the scenario when she started the process, what the documentation, which things my team has explained her. So better Shrishti can explain us about her experiences. First of all, we will like to congratulate her. Shrishti, many congratulations.
Thank you so much.
So finally you got the visa for Canada and now the your country dream has been completed. So Shrishti, can you please tell us like how you contacted us first time?
My contact medium was like reference. One of my friend gave me a reference that Indo-European services are very good.
Okay.
So I went to the office. I contacted Pawan sir. Actually, first one of my relative lives in Canada, and he also contacted Pawan sir only.
Okay.
Earlier, he used to work like in another consultancy, but now he has shifted like in Indo-European, and I was lucky enough to contact him. And he gave me the correct path, and I was really very grateful to him.
Okay. So finally you got your dream country, and which university, which campus are you going?
I'm going in Georgian College, which is in Barrie, and its main campus.
Okay. And which course you are applying?
Hospitality, Hotel and Resort Operation Management.
All right. So what was your last background in study? What you have already get studied?
Yes, I passed 12th class.
Okay.
And after that, I'm going like in main tech.
Okay. So you're going for bachelor studies in the hospitality course.
Yes.
Okay. So Shrishti, when your process was started, I know there is a lot of multiple queries from student side.
Yes.
How's the journey with team and how team has explaining you each and every point, because this is a multi-challenge task. Somewhere you are facing like how my admission can go through, or do I need to face any sort of interview? So what was your experience?
It was like very smooth. First I contacted to like Simran ma'am.
Okay.
And she was really very nice, and I was really influenced by the services.
Okay.
And then they provided me like IELTS classes too. So the journey was very smooth also. Like in first attempt I passed my IELTS also. And after that we processed for the visas. Then he told me to like provide the GIC and how I can, as my father is doing self-employment, and it was like quite difficult to get the loan too. We did it by all cash, and still we showed the ITR. And it was like very nice of him to keep all the documents in record. So
that's the best part, because somewhere you need a kind of assistance which you want, and that is provided by team. That is very good. So Shrishti, after that, once you get the admission part, did you face any sort of interview in between?
No, I am not.
Not yet. All right. And regarding the embassy part, if you are filing and everything documentations ready by team, so while that time also, did you prepare for any interview and they ask you any question regarding this?
No.
Okay. And what about your IELTS?
IELTS, like I scored 6 band, and it was like quite difficult to get the visa in 6 band. We all know that it is 6.5.
Okay.
But in August, it was a new rule by IRCC that we can apply for 6 band.
Yeah.
And it was all dependent on the team, like how they provide the visa.
Exactly. How they are guiding you and what exactly the documentation they are improving. That's the best part. So many students, they are asking like Canada is actually providing the visa, Canada is giving you the admission on time. So what you faced actually in the time period, what was the total average journey the process was started?
I applied my visa in December 28, as we know that GIC is doubled. So we did it all like in fast speed.
Yeah.
Because
in the same amount you need to manage the visa.
Yes.
Right.
Because my GIC was applied in November. So I have to do it with the same GIC.
Yeah.
So after that, my visa was like for 40 days. After 40 days.
Okay. It has been taking at least 40 days and you've gone grab the visa now.
And I don't think so like if there's any problem in receiving visa, if your file is like okay and no gap year and nothing, then we can get visa easily.
Yeah. I mean, this is the best part, that you need to make sure like what document we are filing and how the file was begin to end. And this is the best part, that our expert team can, guiding easily, and people are getting their visas on time. So, Shrishti, the last question is: can we apply Canada this time, and why they will choose Indo-European?
Yes, as per my experience, I think that you should go and prefer Indo-European, because my services were, my opinion in services was like very smooth, and you should prefer like visa. I got on time, and I hope that you would also get on time if you will like apply from Indo-European. And yes, you should apply for Canada too, because the visa services are quite like okay, and after that the future is also bright there. So yes, you can.
Okay, thank you so much. Best of luck for your future journey. If you feel any sort of help after reaching Canada also, we will definitely support you. Thanks and best of luck. Thank you and see you soon. If you have any doubt, just write us and subscribe our channel so that you will get more and more updates on regular basis. Thank you. Take care.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.